Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. In this video, I am going to discuss about a secure approach for video encryption and decryption based on AES algorithm. Now we see our abstract. Multimedia data security is becoming more important for the continuous increase of digital communication on internet. With the rapid development of various multimedia technologies, more and more multimedia data are generated and transmitted in the medical, commercial, and multimedia application because of the large data size and real constraint. Therefore, there is a great demand for secure data storage and transmission technique. Information security has traditionally been ensured with data encryption and decryption techniques. The secrecy of communication is maintained by secret key exchange. In effect, the strength of the algorithm depends only on the length of the key. The presented work aims at secure video transmission using randomness in encryption algorithm. The proposed work finds its application in medical, military database communication and similar to such application. The results are obtained through the use of Java with SQL. Now we see our flow diagram. The processes begin with the sender. First, the sender register and log in with username and password. After login the sender, select the audio or video file. After selecting the file, the sender send request to admin for secret key. The secret key is used for encryption process and the admin can register and log in using his username and password and waiting for key request. Once the key request was received, the admin can generate the secret key and send it to the sender and the receiver. The sender receives the secret key and encrypts the file, and the receiver can register and log in with username and password. After login, the receiver receives the secret key. By using this key, the receiver can decrypt the file and view the encrypted file. Now we see our output. First run the file. If you are a new user, you may register. After registration, you may log in with your username and password. After signing, the sender choose the file. After selecting the file, the sender can send the key request to the admin. And now the admin can log in with his username and password. The admin can already registered, so he log in with his username and password. The admin can view if any key request is received or not. After viewing the key request, the admin can generate the secret key and send the key to the sender. The sender gets the key. After receiving the key, the admin can receive the notification. After receiving the key, the sender uses this key for encryption process. The file is encrypted by using this secret key. The file is successfully encrypted. You may see the encrypted file. Now the receiver can register and log in with his username and password. After login, the receiver can view the secret key and decrypt the file using the secret key. You may get the notification. Now we see the decrypted file in the folder. You may see the decrypted file. The file is successfully decrypted.